In today's video, we are going to be looking at how much YouTube pays for 100,000 views in 2026. And we'll also be looking at the dashboard, the analytics, to check and find out how this revenue is being generated. All right, so here on the YouTube Studio dashboard, we can all see that this video got 106,000 views since it was posted. Okay, so that's 100,000, 106,000 views. Then we'll go to the reach, and then we'll find out that the video also got 441,000 impression, and it also has 17.5% impression click-through rate. Then when we go to the engagement, you find out that the video was able to generate 5,200 watch hours. And the average view duration for this particular video is 2 minutes 56 seconds. That is the average view duration. And we are going to dive into the revenue to check out how much this video actually generated. And we can all see that this video generated $46 since it was posted. And when we scroll down here, you'll find out that this revenue comes straight from the watch page ads. And also, when you look at this particular section, you will see that how much advertisers are willing to pay. So the advertisers are willing to pay $1.66 for every 1,000 view, which is the CPM. And then the RPM, which is after the advertisers has paid YouTube for 1,000 views, the RPM is how much YouTube is going to pay you, the content creator, after removing the task and everything included. So the RPM is going to be 0.43 cents. So the advertisers will pay YouTube $1.66 for 1,000 views, and then YouTube will pay the creator 0.43 cents for 1,000 views. So when you calculate that, when you calculate 106,000 views times by 0.43, it is going to give us $46. And this is how the revenue is being calculated. And I want you to understand that this revenue is being calculated based on where your audience are watching from. We have some regions that if your audience are watching from that particular regions, your CPM is going to be very, very low. And some regions also has a very high CPM. So if your audience are from that particular region, there is a high chance that your CPM is going to be high. So if your CPM is high, the same way your RPM is going to be high. So that is all for this video. So we can see that 106,000 views was able to generate $46 on this particular video, and that is how the revenue works. So in my next video, I'll be explaining more about the YouTube system and how it works. Thank you for watching this video.